Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can put an exclamation point into your Microsoft Word document. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. First is we just need to open Microsoft Word, so go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document, and from here let me just quickly insert a text or a word like hello. And then we are going to put an exclamation mark on this word, after this word. So how can we do that? It's just very easy. You just need to look at your keyboard and then you just have to press the shift key and one key together. One that is not on the numeric keypad. Okay, let me show you. Let me open on screen keyboard. This one, shift and one key together. Okay. Now let me do that. So on your keyboard, press shift and one key together, and that's it. You have just added an exclamation mark or exclamation point into your sentence or your text or into your Microsoft Word. You just need to press shift and this one key, this one, not this one key on the numeric keypad, but this one. Okay? So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.